Good Saturday morning. I'm just waking up, literally. But I feel like I can go back to sleep. That's what I feel like. I feel like I want to go back to sleep. But I'm up. And, shit. I'm on my tablet, y'all, recording. That's why it's like, um, so much movement. Let me see. What y'all doing? Oh, wait a minute. Whew. All right. Yes, it is 4:40. Y'all can see that it's going on 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay, yeah. I have a grocery order coming between 10 and 12 today. And today, I was supposed to be going to Walmart this morning, but I'm not going. I just ordered us some food to get us through the weekend, and then on Monday, tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Walmart and do my big shopping. But I ain't doing nothing today. I just got the little bit that I got off of Amazon to get us through today so we can have breakfast and lunch, dinner, and then, of course, tomorrow, breakfast, lunch, dinner, even though I'm going to. I may not have to go to Walmart tomorrow now that I think about it because I did order enough to get us completely through the weekend till Monday. I ordered quite a bit, I ain't gonna lie. I ordered quite a bit. So, um, yeah. But today's menu, I got a really special treat that I gonna be making today for dinner. I don't know if it'll be for dinner or lunch. I'm not sure. I mean, for lunch, for dinner, I don't know yet. But I got a special little for the family. They don't know that I'm making this, so I'm gonna make that today. You guys will see it later. So it's gonna be mighty tasty. I have a really nice dinner. I think I'm gonna do it for dinner because yeah, I mean it could be for lunch too. I don't know. We'll see. But anyhow, it's gonna be delicious. I'm so excited about it. And then I gotta make sure if I got everything. I can't think if I got anything. 'Cause if not, I'm gonna have to hold on a second. Let me see to make sure I got everything. All the ingredients. Hold on a second. Going to my orders. Um, just checking everything out. Oh, hold on. Hello, you gonna go to the? Wait a minute. Uh, okay, here we go. Let me make sure I got everything that I need to make this meal come together. 'Cause I was half asleep, half woke when I was ordering this last night. Let's see. Got that. Got that for sure. Did I get the? Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, thank you. I think because I know I had put. Okay, I see. I got it. And then I got that right there. Them are so good. I have on the side. Um, Yeah, so I just want to make sure I have everything. Um, yeah, and I do. To me, really good. So yeah, I'm about to go downstairs, y'all, cause I need to have me a cup of coffee and clean out the fridge. That's what I gotta do. I gotta clean the fridge out and straighten up the kitchen. So I'm gonna go downstairs, right? I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back a little later. Let me get up and get moving around, get me some coffee in me, and um, go clean out the fridge because we need to wipe it out too. So clean it out. We need to clean it out. So yeah, we definitely need to clean it out. So go out here and do this, and then my deep freezer, I got fish left in there. So I think what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna keep the fish, but like there's other stuff in there that we ain't gonna eat. I want to just throw it out because I am. But I'm gonna get ready to stock my deep freezer um up. Stock it up. But I will talk to y'all probably um, in a little bit. Oh, sorry, I got a lot on my mind. I gotta. I'll be back. All right.